Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain how you can create online quiz with the help of Kahoot. You can create interactive quiz with the help of Kahoot, and then you can share the quiz with your students so that your students can actively participate in the quiz. So for creating a quiz, for creating a Kahoot, you must go to this website create.kahoot.it. So when you go to this website create.kahoot.it, you need to log in with the ID, or you can log in with the Google. And here you can see I have created these Kahoots. So you can create a new Kahoot from here that I will explain later. So first of all, let me show you the quiz that I have created. So let's open this quiz. So here you can, first of all, let me show you how this quiz will look to your students. So go to this assign, and here just create the Kahoot, and here you need to share this game pin with your students. Now I am now this is my you can see that this is the game pin of the Kahoot, and now I am going to open a new browser. And here suppose this browser is being used by your student, and your student will open this website kahoot.it. So student will open this website kahoot.it, and if you want to create a new Kahoot, you will open this website create.kahoot.it. Now here student will need a game pin, so I have copied this game pin. You will share this game pin with your students, or you can share the QR code, or you can share the URL. So this is the game pin, and here the user will enter the game pin. So you can see it is asking me to enter the nickname. For example, nickname is, let's say, Ricky. I have already created this quiz, so later I will explain how you can create a quiz. So enter the nickname and click on go. And you can see the quiz on the computer networks. So you can see I have created this quiz. So just click on the next question, and you can even check the score. Click on next, and now the second quiz will appear. Second question. So this way your students can participate in this quiz. Now I am going to open a new window. So new window will act like a new student, and new student will again open this website kahoot.it, and it will enter the game pin and click on enter. And again it is asking me whether I am the first student, because I am using the same browser. So I will click this no, not me, and here I will enter the new nickname. So let's say John. Okay, go. Now you can see these students are participating in the Kahoot, and same quiz will appear to different students. And you can see the same questions, and click on next. And you can see the John score is 956 after first question, and Ricky score is 867 after first question. Click on next. Now this answer is wrong. So you can see this answer is wrong. Click on next. After the second question, you can see the Ricky score is this one and John's score is this one. Now this way students can participate in your quiz. Now go to the create.kahoot, go to your another browser where you have created the quiz, refresh it, and in the reports, just wait while it is being loaded. You can see there are two players, so just click on players. So just wait while it is being loaded, and here you can see these students have participated in your quiz, and Ricky's score is 100% correct. Ricky has 100% correct answer with the final score of this one, and John's score is 956. And suppose 10 students have participated in this case, you can see the records of each and every student here. So this is how you can share a quiz with your students and how students can actively participate in your quiz. But the main part is that how to create a Kahoot. So how you will create a Kahoot. So now I am going to explain how to create a Kahoot. Now go to the home tab, and here you will see the option create a new Kahoot. So click here. So it will ask you, so I'm going to create from the scratch. So here you will enter the question, and here you will enter the answers. So let's say I'm going to create a Kahoot or any topic you want. So web applications quiz, and here you can find the description also, and you can keep it private or public. You can change the music of the Kahoot quiz and click on done, and here I will enter the question. So what is HTML, and here I will enter the answers. You can even insert an image. You can create any quiz of your subject. I am just creating any options randomly for just demo purpose. So none of the above. So you need to provide the right answer. So right answer is this one. So just click here. And here you can also provide the time limit. So I'm going to change the time limit to 10 points. And now I will create a new question. So just click here, add question, and here it will ask you to add a question. Even you can select the question from the question bank. So I have provided web application. So just click any option. You can search for your subject. So I'm going to add this question. So you can see the I have added this question, and the right answer I have also provided. So this way you can add as many questions you want. You can even add true or false. You can even add all the different options, but for that you need a subscription. So I am, for the demo purpose, I am now adding only 2 questions. You can change the theme also. So you can change any theme, and then you need to save this. So once you have saved this, click on done. And now I have created this quiz. I have created this Kahoot. Just click on assign. So click on assign, and here you can specify the end date of this Kahoot, and you can specify the time. You can also select whether you want a question timer to be set on. You can also randomize the answer order. You can also click here nickname generator, so the players will not need to enter the nickname. Just click on create. For the free plan, player limit is only 10, but if you want to increase, you can upgrade. So click on create. So when you click on create, you can see the game pin QR code which I have explained already. Then you need to share this game pin with your students. So just copy this game pin. Now the students will go to this website Kahoot.8. As I have already explained, student will enter the game pin and they will be able to see the quiz which you have recently created, web application quiz. Students will enter the nickname and click on go. And you can see the web application quiz. Rest of the thing I have already explained. So this is the wrong answer. Right answer is you can see. So this way you can create Kahoot quiz with your students, and you can create a Kahoot quiz and you can share with your students. So you must give it a try. It's very helpful. So that's all for this demo. Thank you.